Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte. We're just 20 minutes east of Los Angeles, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more. Today what we're going to show you is a Harig grinder. We just got all cleaned up and ready to go. Very nice running grinder. It actually is running right now. It's a model 618 automatic. And this model has a 2-axis automatic. What that'll mean is the table will go back and forth and in and out. You're going to have to manually drop your incremental down feed right here. So every time you're going to drop a step down, turn it a little bit, comes right down a little bit, and it'll keep grinding along the same path. We'll go ahead and start it for you. Now we've already set up a piece in there. It's got a Walker Turner electromagnetic chuck here with a variable control. We've set everything up. You can see the piece on there. And so the table is going back and forth, and you'll notice right here when it takes a step into each step. Now once it does complete an entire pass, you'd come back, drop it down just a little bit to whatever increment that you need, and it'll continue grinding in the same fashion. As you can see, it's a very simple and easy machine to use. Very quiet. Everything's in good running condition. Hydraulics. We've tested the coolant. The coolant does spray just fine, depending on what coolant you guys are going to use. And the electromagnetic chuck is working as well. Now, if you're interested in this machine or any other, we do carry all types of grinders, new and used, including CNC and manual, or the 3-axis, which would give you the powered incremental down feed, which will make this powered. Each time it steps down would be to the next step until you have it completed to the full piece. If you're interested, give us a call at 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor, or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.